Good morning. My name is Nikhil Gadapa, and today I'm going to present to you about my exit topic. The topic for my exit is ambulance tracking system using GPS and GSM modules. My participants, my colleagues are Koteshwara Bhuvan, 21951A0571. My second colleague is Kireeti, 21951 582. My third colleague in this partnership of the event of this group is 21951A0576. And me, lastly, myself, the team leader is Nikhil Gadapa, 21951A05C1. Let's get on with the topic. The background of the idea. The topics to be covered are the problem statement, the introduction, the overview, the solution statement, and lastly, the conclusion. The problem statement. Heavy traffic has always been a problem, especially in populated parts of the world, that is, with countries like India. So these countries are among the first affected by the traffic jams. This leads to quite a few problems in their daily lives, and the service provided to them and by the people of these regions. The most affected are the paramedic services. The mortality rate of the patients who cannot be cured with the on-time treatments is increasing annually. All because of the rush hour traffic and are unable to take the patients to hospitals in the required time frame, such as in the morning time or in the night time. In the peak time, in the peak traffic rush hour, we cannot get them safely to the hospital timely in the time. My proposed solution is the features are this project aims to solve up and at least decrease the rate of the problem using Internet of Things, the technology, using Internet of Things technology. Each ambulance will be equipped with a GPS and GSM modem. In case of emergency, it will send its GPS coordinates to the cloud server, which will then mark the shortest distance between the present location to the hospital via the place from where the emergency call has been raised. This project is aimed to be a comprehensive solution for emergency services in the regions most affected by gridlocks. So this is an ambulance tracker. We can track the ambulance to the nearest hospital there is to the ambulance. So we can save the patient's life in time and we can save everybody. Proof of the concept. A mobile application that lets you know exactly where your emergency vehicles are at all times. Trace the location of all the registered ambulances. It determines its availability to the drivers and to the patients. Provides the consumer with the details of the nearest ambulance in the case of emergency. It targets customers. All the patients with medical emergency are being targeted for this app. It targets hospitals and NGOs, which are non-governmental organizations. Value proposition. Ambulance booking entails several challenges, some of them with direct impact on mobile activities. It determines the following conditions, which are real-world conditions, fits the rate upon booking, data acquisition from the users, such as the feedback for a much further improvement of the app, interpretation, and the notions of the context and the situation, which is at hand. The uniqueness of this app, uniqueness of my solution is as follows. The features, operator interface, the registration, the sign-in, and the location sharing, which is the front-end development. The user interface includes a request and a retrieving of the information from the user, such as the location, patient's name, uh, and the details to be sent to the doctor. It traces the availability, it trains the paramedics, and it collaborates with the hospitals, which are both private and government hospitals, so as to save the lives of the patients and to give them an accessibility for their choices for governmental or private hospitals. The uniqueness of the solution. The languages used in the designing of actually there has been already ambulance tracking apps, but the uniqueness of my app is its quality, its quantity, and also the rating. The usage of app will be more because people might tend to get an popular app so as to save their parents' lives or the lives of their people who they love the most. Uber's engineers primarily write in Python, Node.js, Go, and Java. They started with two main languages, Node.js for the marketplace team, and a Python for everyone else. Full stack at almost every level. Our feature teams have front end and back end. Engineers working together and teams choose whichever data storage solutions best meet a project's unique needs. As our prime example of Uber for the cab booking service, we are trying to make an app from their expectations and to be unique from our own expectations. Points of concern. Security and privacy should be maintained, which is a big challenge based on the location used by user. Location can be hacked. So the security and the privacy is at the utmost importance of the patient's location, so as to give them a nice, and good rating of the app. Public acceptance of this app in terms of efficiency and work ethic. Accurate data for users on the go all the time. Quality experience, feedback on the rating of the app. Points of concern. Helps a user to book an ambulance or call it to the place of the emergency using location accuracy by sharing live location of the ambulance to the doctor in charge in the hospital. Ambulance tracking with patient health monitoring. System logic can be used for ambulance tracking using GPS. GPS, a global positioning system. SMS, short message service for contacting driver without the help of ambulance driver contacting via the phone. GSM, global system for mobile communication, is a digital mobile network. By using the GPS and the GSM modules, we can send an SMS to the doctor in charge for the location of the patient. So to give them a nice overview of the app. So we can save the lives of the patients and also give the doctors a chance to expect their arrival for the ongoing for the treatment to that concludes. The points of concern. To send the about two details to the hospital or doctor using the GSM technology, parameters are as follows: temperature, humidity, and heartbeat. ECG records the electrical signal from the heart to check the different heart conditions of the patients. We can check the different heart conditions of the patients so as to give the information to the doctor, which who can get the required doctor in charge of the treatment. Text SMS is sent to the about our conditions. This has much quality and GUI for the design, and the content of the app. Conclusion. Live tracking and status information of all the available ambulances on a map, which helps for quick redirection of the ambulance to a critical spot. Remote medical assistance from doctors, medical staff on emergencies. Helps the hospital authorities to predict the arrival of the emergency cases and to do prior preparations. Better management and accountability of ambulance operations. Thank you for your valuable time and your patience for hearing this my exceed topic. Thank you for everybody, and hope you like my presentation. Thank you and have a good day. This is Nikhil Kumar Gadapa. Bye bye.